Welcome back to Fast Money. Bitcoin dropping more than 3% today after another cryptic crypto tweet from Elon Musk, the Tesla CEO, tagging Bitcoin with a heartbreak emoji in this meme about a breakup. We started the show with pantless Adam Aaron, and we're ending it with Elon Musk and some emojis. Karen, what do you think this means?
I think maybe it means Tesla's out of their Bitcoin. Maybe. Could that be what it means? I don't know. I sort of think it's sort of a waste of his time. I don't really know what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing. I do think every time he tweets, there'll be a more and more muted effect on Bitcoin because he tweets all the time, sort of. I don't get it at all. But I don't think there's anything criminal about it or anything like that.
Even though, here's the issue, and we were discussing this just in the commercial break. Tesla does have Bitcoin on the balance sheet. So right. From that perspective, could Elon Musk maybe be inviting trouble by tweeting about something that Tesla owns, even if it doesn't participate to the upside when it goes up? It does participate to the downside.
Well, let me give you a counter to that. Do they own raw materials, including copper, that they need to make Teslas? Sure. Yeah, they probably do. He could talk copper up, down, whatever. He could say whatever he wants. Do they, in effect, own Tesla shares that they could issue at some time? Mm-hmm. He could talk those up or down. He's talked them down before.
But there is a point where it does get to be manipulation. If he's talking something up or down, just pulling stuff out of air, something has to be based on some sort of factual.
Well, if he starts making up what their numbers are going to be, that's a different issue.
Right.
Yes.
Right. That's different.
It's a little irresponsible to me, but I don't see it as the same of making up numbers for your quarter.
Right. Guy, where do you stand? I mean, Tesla shares are up. They were down yesterday. They're up 4.5% today. Doesn't seem like it's a big deal for shareholders.
No, it's not. It's not. Listen, I mean, he's a brilliant man, but I'm sort of more with Steve on. I don't think it's criminal. I don't think there's. But I think it's like, at what point isn't there a responsibility to sort of to hold the position in a higher regard than to do dopey things? And I'm choosing that word on Twitter. Like, I don't know, but that's the world we live in right now. And I clearly am too much of a boomer, and I get it. But maybe I'm just a little too old-fashioned. I don't understand what he has to gain by doing these things. It just makes no sense to me.
I mean, you got Ryan Cohen tweeting ice cream cones, you got Elon Musk tweeting Bitcoin emojis, and you got Adam Aaron pantless. That's the world in which we live right now.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.